walking. Lakad-lakad tayo guys kasi ang init. Oh, is the Ita.
What?
Ita.
Isa. Keep going to cider.
Yeah.
Are you drunk? Why are you looking like you're drunk? Oh, hello. It's a Filipina protest now, you know. They're speeding up over the bridge. So they're first up on the hill here, and that's where there is all the competition.
Ang init. Hello, kuya. Naglalakad po kami. Sobrang init. Lakad-lakad. Sobrang init. Dito sa may bridge. Come here faster. Hello po. Lakad po kami dito sa bridge. Tanghaling tapat. You walk here, honey. This side, you have to stay behind me. Hello. No, it's a cow. It's not Carabao. Cow is a cow. Yeah. We're walking here. Our bridge. Yeah. Really. Yeah, bridge.
What a wonderful view.
Yeah. Lakad-lakad kami. Yeah. Sobrang init. Grabe. Iitim talaga ako dito. Magiging negra na naman tayo dito. Yeah. Guys behind me. Yeah. Okay. So, hello Anthony Morada. Hi cousin. Hi pinsan Ronald. Ito, tanghaling tapat. Nagwa-walk kami sa bridge. Yan. Bridge. This is a highway. Yeah. Sobrang init. Nandyan siya sa likod. Yeah. Mainit guys. Nag-start na naman tayo mag-exercise. Lakad-lakad. Our bridge here in Peña Blanca. Yeah. And how many kilometers here at Camellia until here? If we're going to my mom's place, about 4 kilometers, like that.
I think it's like 2 kilometers.
Oh, okay. Hello. Hello, Ate Mary. Yung manalang kami, kababati. Bridge. Oh my God. You know, honey, look like some people passing by here look like their first time to saw a woman like that. Wearing like this. Look like their eyes very big. Their eyes very big. Sobra pato. Init. Grabe. Yan ito. Ang ano namin, bridge. Sobra pato na. Napapato. Grabe.